This is code.org, Computer Science or CS Discoveries, Unit 2, which is the Web Development Unit, Lesson 6, which is obviously about lists, and we are on Level 1 of that, which is the overview of the lesson. Let's see what we're going to be learning about. Overview. This lesson introduces ordered and unordered lists and the associated UL, OL, and LI HTML tags. The class participates using the tags, then goes back to the personal web page project to add a new HTML page that includes new tags. Oh, cool. So at the end of this, I think we're going to have the second page to our personal web page. Interesting. Here's the new code, and it looks like that is the stuff they described here. If you wanted more info, of course, you can click on it. And then they also have stuff about W3 schools here, which is always a great resource. I'm just kind of fooling around now. See that you can check out the code and mess with it and things of that nature. Oops, I think I lost our original page. I'm going to go out of this. Let's go ahead and close that tab. But if you wanted more information about the code, W3 schools is excellent. Regardless, this is the overview. That's the code. And let's get going.